Okay, here is a small correction. E naught cell is equal to not minus, it is plus 0.059 by n into log Kc. Okay, you put it as a minus, but E naught cell is equal to plus 0.059. It minus 0.059 by n log Kc comes this side, that becomes a positive. Okay, next sixth one, relation between delta G naught and Kc. Okay, we got this relation in first year, right? Okay, from the definition of electrode potential, from the definition potential E is equal to W by Q, work done by charge, or work is equal to, therefore work W is equal to E into Q or Q into E, or W is equal to NFE. Since Q is equal to number of moles into Faraday. Okay, NFE. Right, but the reversible work done is equal to decrease in the free energy, or W is equal to minus G, or G is equal to minus W, or G is equal to minus NF. In this case, it becomes a E cell. Or if we take at standard conditions, delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Okay, right. From Nernst equation, E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n. That 0.059 is nothing but 2.3010 into RT by F. This is the 0.059, and there is N, so NF log Kc, or NF E naught cell is equal to 2.303 into RT into log Kc, right? But say this is equation 1. So if we substitute this one in equation 1, substituting in 1, okay, E naught delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell is 2.303 into RT into log Kc, right? So this is the relationship between delta G naught and Kc. So from Nernst equation, we brought a relation between delta G naught and Kc also. Right? Okay. Next, there are some in-text questions. We'll try to solve it in-text questions. So first question is, calculate the potential of hydrogen. Calculate the potential of a hydrogen electrode. Calculate the potential of a hydrogen electrode. Potential of hydrogen electrode placed in a solution of pH 10. pH 10. Okay. So we know the formula that E is equal to minus 0.059 into pH, reduction potential. Okay. If it is oxidation potential, this becomes a plus, or E is equal to potential of hydrogen. E is equal to minus 0.059 into pH value is 10. That is equal to minus 0.59 volts. Minus 0.59 volts. Okay. Next one. Second one. Calculate the EMF of. Calculate the EMF of. What does it mean? What does it mean? It is not a standard hydrogen potential. If it is standard reduction potential of hydrogen becomes 0. That means hydrogen is not in standard state. Calculate the EMF of the cell. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction takes place. In which the following reaction takes place. In which the following reaction takes place. Ni solid plus 2Ag plus 0.002 m gives rise to Ni 2 plus 0.160 m plus 2Ag solid. Right? Right. Given that E naught cell is equal to 1.05 volts. E naught cell is given, we have to calculate E cell. So what is the relation between E naught and E naught cell? From Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059, that will be written as 0.06 by n into log the concentration of products by concentration of reactants. That is 1.05 minus 0.06 by n. N is 2. Why it is 2? Here Ni converts into Ni2 plus. That means it loses 2 electrons. Okay. So Ag plus ions, 2 Ag plus ions gain 2 electrons. So number of electrons that are participating in the reaction is 2 into log. What is the concentration of product? Product is Ni plus 2. That is 0.160. This can be written as 16 into 10 power minus 2. 16 into 10 power minus 2 by what is the concentration of reactants? This can be written as 2 into 10 power minus 3. Of course, there are 2 moles, so we will take it as square. So E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.03 into log 16 into 10 power minus 2, 16 into 10 power minus 2 by 2 square 4 into 10 power minus 6. Right? Okay. If we simplify it further, E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.03 into log 4 goes 4 times 4 into 10 power minus 6. If it comes into numerator, this becomes plus 6. 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 6. That is 10 power 4. Or E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.03 into log, this is log x into y, log 4 plus log 10 power 4, or this becomes 4 log 10. 1.05 minus 0.03 into log 4 value. 4 can be written as 2 square, that is 2 log 10. Log 10 value is 0.3010. Okay, 2 log 10 means into multiplied by 2, that is 0.6020 plus this is 4 log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1, so 4 into 1, 4. That is equal to 1.05 minus 0.03 into 4.6020. Right? Okay. Or E cell is equal to 1.05 minus, so 3006018 12 plus 1 13. So digit must be put, decimal must be put in between, before 6 digits. 4 plus 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 0.3013860. Or E cell is equal to, okay, so 1.0500 0.1380 to 4 minus 3, 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So 0.912 volts. So this is the answer. Right? And there is another question, third question. The cell in which the following cell reaction takes place: 2Fe plus 3 plus 2I minus gives rise to 2Fe plus 3 plus I2. E0 cell is given as 0.236 volts at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate delta G0 and Kc. Okay. So delta G0 is equal to minus N F E0 cell. E0 cell is given N number of electrons 2. 2 plus 2 into plus 3 plus 6, here 2 into plus 2 plus 4. So 2 electrons are taken by Fe plus 3 ions. So N is equal to 2. F value 96,500. So you will get delta G0 value. If delta G0 value is known, then you can calculate Kc. Delta G0 is equal to minus that is minus 2.303 log Kc. Okay, by substituting delta G0 value, you will get Kc. You try to do that problem. Otherwise, we will discuss it later. Right. Thank you.